Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install XAMPP in any Linux distributor. I mean, if you use Linux, let's say Linux Mint, Zorin OS, Ubuntu or any other distributor, you can actually copy me and it will work for every single thing. So first of all, I will go to the browser, and here you can see I am using Firefox here. So what you have to do, you have to go to the XAMPP and then go for the download, and you have to select actually the Linux. Here you can see Linux, so just go for the latest version. Here you can see, and if it is take too much time, you can actually click here. So it will actually took us to this page, and here you can see download latest version. So just click here and it will actually start downloading within short time. Here you can see your download will start shortly, so we have to wait for some times, and it's downloaded. It start downloading. So yeah, we will actually delete one of them because I need only one. So alright, here you can see I have already downloaded it. So let's go to the file location, and here it is. So actually I'm going to open here terminal. So here I'm going to actually say, so I have write some code. Here you can see. So first of all, I need to actually change the mode. Okay, chmod. Actually I want to find out the list. Here you can see we have here Sublime Text and XAMPP, right? So this is the file. Actually I want to copy, and here I want to say chmod change mode 755. So why this? Because actually I want to read, write and execute in the XAMPP folder. Okay, so that is the reason actually I have to change the mode here. And this is the read, write and I can actually create file, delete and access them. Okay, so now I have to paste it, which file. So I will press enter, and now everything is done. So I will actually install it. Now I will go here and I will say sudo, then slash, then I will actually paste it, the file name, press enter, and I need the password, and I want to give the password. Enter. Okay, here you can see welcome to XAMPP, and now let's go to the forward. Everything is alright. Forward, then forward, and it will actually start installing. So we have to wait for some times. Alright, here you can see the installation is done. Now we will actually launch it. So yeah, finish. Failed to execute. I don't know what is this. Execute default. Okay, no problem. And here this is the welcome page, and we have to go here manage servers, and then here you can see our Apache server is on. So you can actually run all of start all of them. So here you can actually restart all or start all. Click anywhere, no problem. Now I will actually go to the downloaded installation destination. So in Linux, XAMPP installed in OPT, then LAMP. Why LAMP? Because it's Linux, so LAMP. If you are in Windows, so it should be XAMPP, XAMPP, right? In any drive. But in Linux, it should be in LAMP, LAMPP. Okay, so we'll go to CD, then OPT /LAMP. And now here you can see we are in LAMP. So I will say here ls to show all the list, and here you can see manager -linux -x64. So we will actually copy it and we will run it. Okay, so you have to say sudo, then paste it. Paste it. What is this, by the way? I don't know. We just have to actually say here sudo, then we have to paste this. Okay, but I think we have to give here dot slash. Okay, enter. So this is how actually you can run it. So here you can see everything is running here, all the server. Okay, so we just have to minimize it, and that's it. So we'll actually go here localhost / php myadmin for the database. So myadmin, if I enter here, it will actually took me to the php myadmin control panel. So from here actually we can create a new database by clicking here new, and we can actually create project. So what I have to do, we have to actually go to the here you can see we have to go to the opt. Here you can see opt, then lamp, and here we have to go to the htdocs. Here you can see htdocs. So all the file actually will be saved in htdocs. Okay, so you will find you have to go to the file system, and then you have to go for opt and then lamp, and here you will find htdocs folder. Just go inside it and you can actually create all the project here. Let's say you want to create a new PHP project, you can create a PHP project by actually create here folder. Okay, so this is how actually you can install XAMPP in your Linux operating system. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.